Hey guys, welcome to my channel NutriciaDieta. My name is Doshi and I'm a clinical nutritionist and a dietitian. I have come up with a new channel to give you new recipes. So now let's begin with my new recipe or the first recipe. Today I'm going to make Nutty Fudge. So let's begin. The ingredients are cashews, walnuts, almond, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of oats flour or atta, 100 grams of nachni or ragi, half cup curd, half cup ghee, 180 ml of milk. Let's mix dry ingredients first. Vanilla essence will keep it aside and will add in a wet ingredient. I am going to keep the bowl aside for a while. Let's mix the wet ingredients. Let's combine the wet and dry ingredients together. Mix well so that there are no lumps formed. After that, add jaggery, that is a special ingredient which is going to give a good and a sweet taste to our cake. If you have diabetes, you can use stevia. Use the cutting method while mixing the batter. Now the batter is ready for baking. So now let's put that into the mold. Mold is already dusted with atta or maida. I have used wheat flour. Add nuts according to your taste and increase or decrease as per your need. But if you have any allergy, please don't use it. Bake for 30 minutes. Let's keep cake for baking. I have used aluminium vessel to bake. You can also bake in an oven or microwave if you have. Remove the foil slowly. It will be hot, so remove carefully. Now the cake is ready. So now we are going to put in a knife and check whether it is properly baked or not. You can see the cake is properly baked. Keep the cake to cool down for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes are over and now I am going to remove the cake in a plate. You can see how easily the cake has come out of the mold. So now you can see the cake is ready. So let's cut the cake. Cake is delicious. Try at home, don't forget to make. And please like and subscribe my channel and do share. Thank you.